Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're back with rating our Ipsy bag for December 2018. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and we're super excited. I mean, we already kind of looked at it a little bit, but we're definitely going to do more of a review of some of the products that we've tried out. So let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. And usually like it will come inside like a bag, but now it's like inside the whole box, so I think that's
like
cool.
A little bubble bag wrap kind of.
Yeah. Do you want to start off?
Sure.
Okay,
so I already actually tried two things on that I have on right now, and one of my super favorites is like this one. It is by Lancôme,
and I love Lancôme. I feel like you can't go wrong with their products. They're really, really good.
Let's see, does it focus?
Maybe because it was like kind of focusing on me. I don't know if that helps.
Okay, well,
okay.
Oh, and I think it finally, okay, whatever. It says Lancôme, and I believe it is a kind of like a highlight slash bronzer.
Oh, whoa, I thought it was an eyeshadow. Like I planned on using it as an eyeshadow.
Yeah, well, it says eyes, cheeks, and lips. This playful formula offers blendable and buildable coverage, leaving a beautiful flush of color all over, which I kind of used it. I think in their paper it says that it was, I remember kind of reading it like if it was a highlighter, but I'll double check with you guys. Yeah, just buildable glow. So I used it on the tip of my nose, just right here, since I had bronzed kind of like my face. I really liked it. It's a nice, soft, like, cute glow. So I really liked it. Let me open it so you guys can see it a little bit closer.
Yeah, do a little swatch for us.
Yep. So it's like this.
It's like a nice dark brown.
It does not focus, but it's just that I think our faces are...
Yeah, it will like try to focus on our face and stuff.
Yeah, but it's like a bronzer just with shimmer. Let me, there we go.
There you go. Now you can see how, it's super pretty. I like it.
Yeah, got a black Jessie. And let me swatch it. It's very creamy, super, super nice. Oh, it goes on like, it would look pretty as like, let me block you again.
You can really see it there, but in person, like, it's a lot more brown. Like, it's really nice.
It's a nice bronze color. I really like this, and just Lancôme itself is pretty expensive, so I'm assuming with just purchasing this, it would automatically just pay off for your Ipsy Glam bag.
Yeah. Alright, the next product
has a value of 25. Sorry, just before I forget.
Be Beautiful Be You brushes. Makeup brushes, so I think that's, now I have to block us.
Well, that was better because that one was bigger.
I feel like the packaging is so cute, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. We have yet to try these, but I think it's cool because they'll usually like give eyeshadow brushes and they will be too big, and you can't even like use, I personally wouldn't use them, and I feel like these I might actually use. Like this, we thought we could use it for like contouring, huh? Yeah. I think that's pretty cool. Or even like blush too. I don't know.
Yeah, it is definitely like,
like
that
angled.
little contour.
I think that's super cool.
Angled, I mean.
Then there's another one. Oh, there's three. Oh, this is definitely more of a blush brush. I think that is so pretty. And I love how it looks like so... I'm like, how can we make it focus? Okay, we're gonna have to go away. Wait, now it's focusing on the back.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We're not so good at this, you guys. Like, I don't know. I really like it. I think
I like them,
it look
and
really
like
pretty.
They're just not like, they're not too loose, so they're actual like brushes that you can use. It's not too stiff.
So
I feel like you can totally use these, and they're beautiful. Just the presentation is absolutely amazing.
I know, it makes you think that they're like super expensive.
And that's, I think, a stipple brush.
Yeah.
I believe so.
Oh, I can't take it out of the heck. Okay. And then this one, it's those brushes that you can put foundation with on. And honestly, I never use like brushes to do my makeup, and I'm not saying anything bad about it. I'm just not used to it. I will usually just use a beauty blender. So I feel like I'm definitely gonna try this. I feel like it would be really awesome to really just blend your makeup with, and I feel like I'm gonna try it, and if I like it, I'll definitely let you guys know. And then the original price for all three of these would be $40. So I mean,
yeah. And the bigger brush, it is like a powder brush. The second one is the more angled one. That one was the contour brush.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and the other one is a stipple brush. So those are definitely, I feel like they would be able to be used because I feel like they're like the perfect ones that you can kind of use them for everything. And okay, next one is I'll grab this one. So the next one that we got is 111 or 111 Skin. It is a vitamin C brightening booster. We have not tried this yet,
Yeah,
so
yet, but it sounds cool. I mean, your face can always use those vitamins.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
We're like so proud whenever it actually focuses.
Yay. Okay, and it's by Dr. Y. Alexandrid, MD. So let's look at it. The packaging itself is really cool. It's like black. It's kind of like a matte, really nice texture to
Fancy
it.
packaging.
It looks very fancy. And then even better, the presentation in person. It is like this. Let me block my face. There we go. Okay. That's so funny.
I feel like it's like anything that's packaged that way is so cool because you can open and it's like those that you squeeze and it drops. I don't know. I always feel like that's so cool.
So it has like a little squeegee stuff. So let me open it for you guys. And maybe we can swatch it with your hand, Jess, and you can just kind of describe maybe how it feels.
Okay, I'm wearing.
So it is.
Be careful.
Yeah. Oh, I hope I made it back.
Just a little. So it's vitamin brightening
C.
and something else.
Vitamin C brightening booster.
Brightening. Okay, cool.
It says shake bowl before use. Well, I kind of
smells like
did.
a plant. I'll let you guys know that. And for me, like, I feel like that smells good. It's not sticky consistency. It's nice and soft, and it's almost like when you put something like minty on your skin and then you get like that fresh breeze and like it feels fresh. I kind of got that in here. And my skin feels super soft. So I can't wait to try that.
I'm excited when it comes to vitamins for your skin because you can't really go wrong with vitamins for your skin. So I'm super excited about this. And yep, can't wait to try it.
Yeah, that one sounds cool. And then the next one is Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Eye Quad Palette. I feel like you should have gotten this one.
I was gonna, but then I'm like, oh, I grabbed the other Lancôme one, so Jess should grab like the eyeshadow one.
Jackie actually tried this. I haven't tried it at all. And I'll show you guys the colors. It's really pretty. Block us out again.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, there we go. And I feel like the colors are really pretty. You kind of get that like highlighter pearl color.
A little shimmer.
So 3 shimmers, 1 matte, 1 like grayish brown color, and then 2 other brown shimmers. So it's really nice. I feel like you can never go bad with browns. Because it's just such a like neutral color.
So just the texture of it.
You can review this one because you actually did it.
Okay. And then we still have one, so you can, I guess, review the other one.
The other one.
I was looking at this, and there's something in there for you. Okay, so I used this one right here. Let me see. It's kind of like a gray-brown color. I really like it because I love just neutrals, just because like it can be like an everyday kind of look. And I was going to add a little bit of glitter, one of the other glitter ones, just on top. But then I was like, oh, I'll just see how this goes. Just when you touch it, it is a very creamy texture. So I was like, oh, I don't know if with the blush it would blend very good. But it ended up blending very well. I loved the application of it. It was very smooth. And then I'll show you guys the color.
It's like
Is it kind of focusing on my...
Yeah, it is. It looks good.
Yeah, super. Hopefully my eyeliner's nice. But it's really pretty. I liked it a lot, and just it's very creamy, and it just went on very smooth on like my eye.
Is it really pigmented?
It actually is, because like I only put a couple of little dabs on it, and it actually was very buildable. Look at it. I think it was very good. And I've had my fair share of experience with eyeshadows, and this one definitely is like worth it if you purchase it.
I'm glad that you like it.
It was
just
very
because
nice.
It's $44, and I feel like if you're getting 4 colors for $44, it needs to be good, because you can get like an Anastasia Beverly Hills
With
palette
way more, right?
for like
So true.
$40, and you're getting how many colors? Like 14, 12 colors.
Yeah.
And you know, so obviously for $44 I feel like it should be good. So it's nice to hear that you liked it.
And I didn't even check the actual price for the skin one.
Oh, for like, what is it, like a serum?
Yeah, it was the vitamin C skin.
See. They give us like this whole little like pamphlet.
It helps out a lot.
Oh my god, I wonder if this is true, but it probably is. $180 vitamin C brightening booster.
Okay, we're trying it tonight.
I'm definitely trying that tonight.
Mask, and then after that, put that on.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and then we do have one last product, which is a lipstick. I'll read from here. It's the Estee Lauder Pure Color Love Lipstick in Flash Chill. So it looked like this.
That's literally exactly the one that we had gotten.
Yeah, and like, except the color that we got was more... There it looks more red on camera, but it was more of like a peachy pink. So it was like a little too like bright for us. Like we feel like it didn't really go well with us. So we gave it to our mom, and we gave it to her before we could even like review it with you guys. So we don't have it with us. But a thing that I can say is when I put it on, it was like not so much like a lipstick. It was more like a balm in a way.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't have like that kind of dryness of a lipstick, so it was nice, and it had like a little bit of shimmer, right? I felt like it had shimmer. It was pretty.
It was really... we're gonna tell you guys a secret, but once we gave it to my mom, like we were like looked at each other, we're like, did we just regret what we just did?
Yeah.
Because on her it looked beautiful. It was like kind of buildable, like you can keep adding, and I think that it would trigger more of the color. But I know that my mom would take advantage of it and actually wear it more than us.
And our mom loves makeup too, so
yeah, and she's a little bit lighter toned skin than us, and it just went better with her skin. Like it looked way nicer, and she loved it. And she's like, "Oh my god, thank you!" She's so excited, and yeah, I'm just glad she kept it. But we were a little jealous. We're like, ah.
We can always just like go to her room and just borrow it. And then the bag that we did get for December is this bag. I thought it was cute. I've seen like better bags, because I don't know how I feel about like this, but it's still really cute.
It's almost like a clutch, huh?
Yeah, it's more like of a clutch, and I think it's nice. I like it, and what I really like about it is that it's actually like pretty big. You can fit a couple of stuff in there, so I think I'll definitely like make use out of this when I will.
Yeah. So we definitely, well, I guess I had reviewed 2 of the things, but if you guys want to hear any other reviews, maybe about this one, just because I'm actually very curious about this one right here.
Yeah, imagine
the vitamin C brightening booster. Like, honestly, I would never, ever think about spending $118 just on a, like, vitamin C brightening booster.
I feel like I wouldn't spend that much, so I really want to try it out and see, and if it does work, like, we will let you guys quickly know in like another video, or let us know if you want us to completely review it. Yeah, because I'm actually very, very like anxious to see the actual results for that. Like, is it true? Is the hype of $118 worth it? Yeah. I know the other one facial with that.
Definitely worth it. And I love the fact that you said like you can get other palettes for that eyeshadow, almost the same price, and you get way more colors. Yeah. But the texture was more of like a Lorac eyeshadows. You know how they're kind of a little more creamier? Yeah. It was kind of like that. I liked it. And the Lancôme, the eyes, blush, and what else? Lips, I think. Kind of highlight. I really liked it too. So yeah, we're so excited. We actually loved this one, the December bag.
Yeah.
We're super happy with it.
I would say I'm pretty happy with it.
With absolutely everything that was in there. So
and that pretty much wraps it up, you guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.